Camera one, camera two. Hey guys, I have put in some contact lenses today. I am doing my version of Trixie Mattel makeup as a follow-up to the video I just did replicating Trixie Mattel's makeup. I didn't mention that I put contacts in on the last video, but I did. It's these contacts, and they just make my eyes look a little bit bigger, and it makes the natural color of my eye look a little bit more intense. So I put one in so you could see the difference, and then I'll just pop this other one in. There you go. Oh, hi. I totally forgot I was recording. Okay. So now that I've got my contacts in, finished putting my press-ons on, I am going to be making this video a giveaway video as well. So to create the look for today, I'm using Morphe's Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. So I'm going to be giving this palette away, and I'm also coupling it with the Morphe Jeffree Star eyebrush collection, which comes with this pink little bag here. So you've got this many brushes. What do we have here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes in here. And this cute pink little tote. Sure. So that's the giveaway. And let's go ahead and get started. Get started with the makeup. I am blocking my brows down. If you guys watch my videos, you know I normally don't do that because I kind of don't have to. But Trixie does, and I did to do her makeup. And I'm going to do it for this makeup as well. I've already put down 2 layers. And if you want to see how I do this from start to finish, I'll put a link for the Trixie video up here. So if you guys didn't watch that one, check it out. It's pretty cool. It came out really well, I think. So I've got the third application. I like Trixie's trick of wetting the glue stick. Now she licks it, I don't. So I use a little bit of setting spray to do the same thing that the spit does. And it just makes it slick, so it's smoother. So when you go to cover it up, it's there's less texture. And while that is still damp, I am going to set that with some setting powder. This is Morphe's Filter Effect Finishing Powder in number 2. Dusting off the excess. Huda Beauty Overachieving Concealer in the color Whipped Cream. This is a heavy, heavy concealer. And I'm going to blend that in with a sponge. Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in F2.20. Now that we've got that down, I'm going to kind of follow the steps to her makeup. I'm just going to make it like a hybrid between my like supernatural look that I do and like the really outrageous look that Trixie does. Hopefully, that's my plan. All right, grabbing the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, I'm going to start with Hush Hush. Putting some of that Hush Hush color underneath here. And then I'm going to take a base shadow brush and just kind of buff the edges a little bit. Let's do Rockstar. Still using the Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. I'm switching to F2.70. Let's do a quick beard cover. This is MAC's Paint Stick in Genuine Orange. Huda Beauty Overachieving Concealer. MAC Studio Fix. This is the soft matte foundation stick in the color NW50. MAC's setting powder in Invisible. Okay, I'm just going to dust off that excess powder. Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Liquid Wear Eyeliner. Going in with Berry Treasure. Kind of smudge out the liner a little bit. Load that up with the Berry Treasure and then really kind of blend the inside line. And I'm just gonna back up that bottom line. MAC Brush Stroke 24-Hour Liner in Brush Black. And I'm just gonna back up the outside of the eyeliner line. Eyeshadow brush with the Berry Blast on it. And just kind of sweep that in while it's still a little wet. Morphe Filter Effect in filter number 2. Here. I'm going to use the Summer of Love blush palette again from Trixie Cosmetics. I'm also going to use Morphe, the Morphe finishing powder in filter number 9. Moving on to the blush palette, I'm going to start with Side Chick. Moving to Girl on Girl. And then After School Special. MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. And this is in the color Every Day is Sunshine. MAC Vanilla Powder. MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid and Flash and Dash. Now I'm going to pop some lashes on. These are actually the ones that I used in the Trixie video, but I'm going to cut them up a little bit, go in like parallel to the lashes and just kind of chop them up a little bit. So they're a little bit lighter. Duo Eyelash Adhesive and Dark Eyelash Curler. MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. With the classic Trixie makeup, these go right in the crease. And I think that they could, but I'm going to angle it just a little bit more like this. So the inside corner is going to be a little bit closer to my lashes, and then the outside corner will kind of go up to my crease. Going back in with the MAC eyeliner, I'm going to go in between the false lashes and my natural lashes on the eyelid, where I've created that space by placing the outside corner of the lashes into my natural crease. So this will just darken it up, make it a little bit harder to see that I've, raised the lashes up. I'm using these stick-on brows that I have. I just ordered these off Amazon. I watched a Brooklyn Heights makeup video, and she had used them, and I just thought they looked really cool, so I would give it a try. So I'm just going to put a little bit of clear eyelash adhesive, and I'm going to paint the adhesive onto the back of the lace eyebrow. I'm also going to take a pencil, and I would like to use the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Neutral Nana, and I'm just going to use the ink stain part, and I'm just going to kind of touch it up a little bit. With a little bit more of the vanilla powder, or the vanilla pigment, just under the brow bone, or under the eyebrow. MAC lip pencil in Hover. MAC lip pencil in Lasting Sensation. And then I'm going to blend those together with a lip smudge brush. Runway Rogue's liquid lipstick in Go See. I'll work that in with a lip brush before it completely dries. Taking a little bit of Runway Rogue's liquid lipstick in Softbox. And then while that dries, I'm going to go in with just a little bit more highlighter. And this time I'm reaching for the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Stardust. Runway Rogue's lip gloss in, let's see, what color is this? In Catwalk. Okay, little setting spray. Lightly tap that in, lightly with our powder brush. I think that's it. I think this is good. So I'm gonna go find some hair and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is my finished reinterpretation of the Trixie Mattel makeup, trying to create a sort of hybrid between my Nomi look and the Trixie Mattel makeup I did in my last video. If you have any comments, of course, leave those downstairs. I did create this look using the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette from Morphe, so if you want to win that along with the Jeffree Star eye brush set, so you get these two. Just be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!